G'day, welcome back to Camper Training with McDaddy and Tubster. In this video I will just show you that we have in fact installed the WiTi unit into the Goldfields Grand Duke. So the WiTi unit I've got will have electric brake controller. It's got the wireless towing interface, so I don't have to have the vehicle attached to the normal 7-pin plug. It's also got an anti-theft system. So when I go away, go on my little hike, I can set the alarm and it'll go off if it's interfered with. Or if I'm camped outside my home and someone tries to interfere, the alarm goes off. Not only that, because I've got the GPS tracking on it, it will also send an alert to my phone to let me know that that vehicle has been tampered with. And in the event of someone skull dragging this on the back of a tow truck, it's still going to be sending messages where it's being taken to. So just a bit of peace of mind. I'll also probably insert another little thing in there somewhere later on. So when we come to our vehicle, we've got the brake controller sitting in the cigarette lighter there. It's been paired with the trailer. As you'll see here, it's plugged in. It shows linked brake. I can increase the amount of braking to adjust it to the car. If I need to, the extra bit of braking, I can just press that button and it'll brake as well. So we just come to the back of the car, then the trailer of course. So here's the vehicle, it's not plugged in, and here's the trailer. So we'll just try the wireless indicators. And the other side. I want to go for my hazards. We've got brake lights. We've got full lights. So all that's communicating. So we don't need to have that 7-pin plug attached in there. So there's less chance of damage. The only plug we'll have in here next to the controller is our Anderson plug for charging the camper on the move. Okay, so I think that's mostly it. Just one other thing, it was fairly easy to install because all the things were labelled, so we knew what we had to do. It was a bit fiddly splicing the wiring into the trailer and feeding it through. We got it all done and we had one little problem. Left indicator wasn't working. As it turns out, this little communicator has got pins like these. Now, this might happen with other trailers. So if something's not working, in our case just the one indicator, all it was this pin here had been slightly squashed, just gently placing the screwdriver in there, just like that, a fraction, and the job was fixed. So you'll probably find that on some of your other things, maybe a boat trailer or whatever. If you're having problems, maybe that's a solution. Now just remember to hit like and subscribe, and keep tuned for more videos with camper trailering with McDaddy and Tubster. Cheers for now. G'day, McDaddy here again. Just going to test the alarm system on this Grand Duke, the WiTi system. So I should press this A button for about half a second. It should flash twice on the front. Are we going, Tom?
Yep, all good, mate.
Okay, so she's flashed. So if I just check here, yep, she's armed. So this should be set up. So anyone tries to hook it up or break into something, alarm's going to go off. That'll keep sounding for about 30 seconds and should reset. Once the alarm's set off, it also applies electronic brakes, so you can't drag it down the street. So the other thing is, if it's gone off, you should be able to press the B button at the same time, it should go off. Okay, so again, hit like and subscribe to Camper Trailering, and until next time, enjoy life and camper trailering. Okay, we've tested other parts of the WiTi system. The only things I haven't tested at this stage are the brakes actually locking when the alarm goes and the brake controller. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just try and drive off with the alarm still going. The motion should set the alarm off, should lock the brakes, and you'll see that that will prevent it from being dragged away easily. And then we'll go up to Mount Tarangara and just check the braking system is working fine. Okay, so let's start it. So I'll release the brake on the camper. Okay, so we're just going to go up to Mount Tarangara now, drive up, then I'll come down and just see how this proportional brake thing's working or not. The last thing we didn't seem to have fully locked the brakes at the back, but it could be that the brakes were incorrectly set by Goldfields, so I might just take it back and get just to adjust the brakes and then do a retest. So yeah, just okay. So we're at Malden. At Malden, you've got Mount Tarangara, and at the base of Mount Tarangara, we have the Butts Recreational Reserve. It's also the start of the hill climb when that's on. Folk festival things are often held here. So
not much to think about. We just got a cigarette lighter adapter for the WiTi unit, isn't it? That's it.
Yeah, that's right. And the thing is, if this car breaks down, I've got to hire a vehicle, I can just pull this out, plug it in the next vehicle with my plug in the back, and away I go again.
Yep. Well, assuming that the vehicle you got's got a 12-volt plug in it, yeah.
Yeah, so
I'm
I'm just fiddling with different percentages there to see how she's pulling up. All seems to be good at all levels anyways, but get something new, you fiddle with it. I'm not seeing any difference between the 10% and 50 really, because the gyroscope is also adding to the proportional braking, so I'll reset that back.
Well, you're not using inertia braking anymore, which is the big thing.